signal. You're not even coming into our S unit. I got you like up on my nose, but I heard they got a good receiver over here. They are running the hands all across the band, all across the 2725. Spaceman with no conditions, Sacramento. Got down.
Spaceman, call Bullet. Give me a double L, Spaceman, Bullet.
Hey, Bullet, is that you? I don't know. Is that Bullet Bob, man? I got some kind of reverb up in the you got too much reverb, Bullet. Hey, Bullet, is that you? And if you got a slot, you copy that? Come on down, bigger.
Yeah, Spaceman, give me a double L. Call me Bullet. Call Bullet.
Hey, Bullet, do you want me to call you that bigger?
Bullet Bob, como sea, 10-4.
Por ahí parece que la señal de que...
Sloppy copy, I don't know, you kind of faded out. I had a good signal on you, Bullet, lost,
you, number 12 in California. Number 12 in California. Number 12 in California. Checking my condition.
Spaceman with no conditions, sir. Sacramento, got down.
Spaceman, claro que sí hay condición, pero está interesante, parece ser silenciosa, pero las grandes estaciones aquí están de muy buena forma en mi receptor.
Number 12 in California. Number 12 in California, checking my conditions. 12 in California, reading the mail, breaker.
Got some kind of feedback going on in my transmit, man. I gotta figure what that is. Yeah. One. Yeah, must be one of my cords over here, either the keying cord or my XLR cord going into my equalizer or something. Something is ain't right. Hello, Cruz. I heard you, man. I heard you once again. Waving the hands all the way down to Mexico City. Take care, Cruz. Put it on you later. I ain't got the best conditions right now around Sacramento, man. Am I still on the key? Hang on, Cruz. Yeah, hi. Yeah, hi. Yeah, hi. That's Spaceman Jr. right there. Hey, Cruz. That's Spaceman Jr. Say hi.